Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So, today, as usual, we're going to be looking at price actions to take advantage of price actions to see if we could actually open a couple of positions at London Open. So, before London Open, we just have to, study the market and you know, look at a couple of factors that could determine price movement. And of course, after we're done looking at the factors, then we're going to subsequently wait for market to act before we dive right onto it. Okay. So right here I have Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen, and daily time frame is has not chosen a direction yet. So we have to be careful with the pair. 4 hours time frame seems like it's gonna pull down and close below 168.17. And when this happens, then the price could actually move down and yield about 32 pips. So looking at 1 hour time frame looks pretty much very interesting in that we have seen price, attempt to break, this resistance here, break out of this range. Basically, unfortunately, it closed back in. After that, we have a candle that actually attempted to move down and then closed, wake up in, but then we it closed as a bearish candle, but with a very big wick, and then the second candle closed bearish again and lower than the previous closure. So basically, what we should be looking out for here is for this 30 minutes candle to be broken, not 30 minutes, 1 hour, this previous 1 hour candle to be broken. Once this current 1 hour breaks this previous 1 hour candle, then we can actually proceed to sell. Unfortunately, I don't know if that is actually going to happen because we have about 3 minutes to next cycle, that is to next candle formation. Okay, that being said, we're just looking for closure below here. Okay, and since let me have a look at previous historical data to see. There's actually a lot of issues above and below. There are issues, but not too significant. So let's see. We're gonna definitely cash a trade today. Today is Friday, and it's always crazy on Friday mornings. London Open. What we should be careful with is New York Open. New York Open does a lot of things to make sure that you lose your profit for the week. We better be careful. Okay, that being said, we have to wait. We have to honestly wait. I don't even have any point of interest or like focus points yet because everything is not just okay. Nothing is the way it seems. Okay, so it seems we're gonna basically focus on Euro Japanese yen because it has more promising moves. Okay, over to gold. Gold daily is pretty much bullish. Weekly is still bullish. It has not changed. And daily is actually bearish. Sorry, whatever I said previously, just don't mind. So the question is, if this is going to reverse and keep going up, or is it going to just continue going down? That's the big one in a million question. So I think the best thing to do now is to wait for gold 4 hours to close above this range. If it does, then we'll look for a position that's going to give us this, 31 pips. That's the ultimate move now on gold. Because right now I don't trust whatever is happening here. Unless of course I say clear close or above this, that's when I will take actions. So that is it, that is it, that is it. We basically are just gonna wait a little bit to secure closure outside. If gold can give us like a closure outside this range, somewhere here or some sign that price is gonna push up, we'd actually take this beautiful profit here. 300, 30 pips. So it's worth the risk, right? All right, let's hold on there. Even this guy is still not okay. So where should we target in gold? Looks like we're gonna target buys. So for buys, my point of interest is gonna be here, and my focus point is here. Such that if you measure this point to this point, it's gonna give you around 35, 36 pips. That's the target. So let's see. It seems Euro JPY wants to move down a little bit. I'm not sure what he wants to do in particular level. I just have to the risk and at the same time be very super careful. And I'm coming from the gym. I'm so tired. God, I think I'll end this stream and sleep first. Okay, let's look at. Oh my God, nothing. No news today on US dollar. Just a couple of noise here and there on euro. Okay, it's okay. Okay, seems we're gonna take trade on my favorite pay anyhow anyway. Seems we're gonna take trade on it. Yes. So these days I serve myself before I call shots because sometimes after calling shots I end up missing. So this again, don't forget, use risk only what you can afford to lose. Risk only what you can afford to lose, okay? That's the only thing you're allowed to risk. This is not a get rich quick case. It's actually a case of harnessing, making use of opportunity and looking at historical data to interpret the price movements and anticipate where price is gonna head to next. So that's what we're doing basically. Why did I open this position here? I opened this position here because price broke out of, okay, let's start from here. There's a range, price broke out. I mean, this candle closed where this one, two, three candles could and four candles couldn't close. It did, and the break of that candle marks, a significant, price movement, and price actually moved. Yeah, it again formed some sort of pause here. The break of this pause, it moved again, and it has been consolidating ever since. In an attempt to to break out of this consolidation, this happened. This candle attempted to break out, but broke back inside the range, and then the next candle started trending down time after time. Like candle after candle for the past 4 hours approximately. Euro JPY has been trending down, but is a case of it trends down and close below the close of the previous candle, but at the same time it will always weak, right? So this particular candle has already broken the low of these three candles. So as long as it respects its own high, this candle respects its high, it has a very high tendency to go down. If you go into this trade at night, maybe GST at night of Gulf Standard Time, it's going to be a bad idea because at that time there's no volume on in the market. There's no volume in what's it called? Euro JPY. Yeah. So that volume that is about to come in the next 1 hour and approximately is what I'm gonna leverage on to see if price can drive this candle down. Okay. So once there is volume involved, when you see this kind of setup, it makes sense. But if there's no volume involved, you dare not take it because it's gonna kill your money for you. So that's what I'm basically trying to say. Sorry if I'm not able to interpret it like, ideally because I'm super, super exhausted. Coming from the gym, going to like burn some fat, stuff like that. Let's hang on and see how this turns out. And then gold is doing pretty much very, very well. Where is that again? Yeah, it's doing so well. Let me leave this at 30 minutes. It's gonna give me more visibility. Just wish this is gonna just swipe down and close here, then just gonna ride it like a buffalo. If price, closes above, not closes, crosses above the high of this current candle, I'm gonna close. That's called risk management, by the way. I'm gonna close 50%. Yeah, that's the way my plan works. For my plan to consistently make profit for me, I have to follow it in total, in and out. Okay, the high is broken, so I'm gonna close about 50% of my positions. So basically, we're still observing, just patiently wait. That's the essence of risk management. So if you have managed your risk enough, good enough, then you shouldn't worry about this position. If you've chosen the correct lot size, then we're not going to be discussing about losses. Yeah. And if you have closed 50% like I advised, then you'll still be good to go. Okay. So just hang on in there. We're gonna see what price is gonna do perhaps the next 4 minutes when another 15 minutes candle is gonna form. Okay. Just patiently wait there. I see gold is forming something very, very interesting. Let me have another look at gold again. Seems pretty much very genuine. Yeah, looks genuine. But then I can just dabble into it because I need a plan, right? We need to set up a plan, a functional strategy that actually is going to work. If we set it up, then we're good to go. We can't just jump into it. So let's see how price is going to react here. 15 minutes. We'll see how it closes. Based on how it closes, then we can actually take a trade. Yeah, that's how to trade. Just you wait 99% of the time, and then when the opportunity presents itself, you strike and get out. So that skill trading is 99% times waiting. So guys, you gotta wait for real, gotta wait. You got to wait honestly. You have to wait. You've gotta wait, guys. You have to wait. Wait for it to happen. Whatever you want to happen, wait for it to happen. Man, is this really forex market? For London and nothing is happening? That's strange, guys. Similar thing happened yesterday, by the way. Very, very similar. You know, even though I recovered my money yesterday and even made profit, but then what I'm trying to say here is some days are like this. Just know that. Some days are like this. Know it and no peace. Some days are sketchy like this. Oh, lo. Is that volume that I see? That stuff I see, is that volume? Holy. I love that. Is this volume? Holy chicken. Holy potatoes. Holy biryani. That's actually volume, guys. For those who want to see how I'm doing, this is how I'm doing, okay? I'm in the trade life and direct, okay? No need to get scared for any shit. I'm there. That's why I'm not scared of nothing. I'm not gonna ever tell you to sell without selling myself. I'm gonna test it. If I'm not gonna test it, I'm gonna tell you guys beforehand. Hey, I'm not taking this trade. If you wanna take it, on your own. If I lose, it's fine. If I gain, it's okay. Let's look at. Okay. Just one price to calm down. I don't even want it to stop. I just want it to keep going. Just senselessly move until it hits this zone. Once I see that kind of movement, I'm just going to remove my take profit and just tell God, I thank you. Then I'll go to bed. Okay, is this going to display something or not? Okay. What's going on? What is going on? That's not. Oh no, this is not. You guys are jokers, right? So you're kidding me right now? Bloody. One thing I learned the hard way is to take my mind away from open positions. Look for something that interests you a lot, something that's gonna take away your mind, that's gonna like take away the tension, the emotion that comes with trading. Open positions. Something that's going to absorb it so that once you open this position and look at it, oh, it's not meeting my criteria. You either close or you still leave it because it's not meeting your criteria. But if you look at it constantly, my dear, you will have, man, what the hell is happening? You have some level of madness in you, trust me. I'm not sure why there's no sound here. I know it's from my speaker. Oh, yes, it is. It is. Okay. Just gonna fix that very quickly. Oi, oi, my dear. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, there's this trade I took at night. Yeah. Let's see. There's glorified Apple Vision Pro. Yes. I would basically, maybe stay away from good just now because anyway, no need to stay away. I'm just gonna like I have my point of interest and of course the final my targets. That's about 30 pips, so I don't have issues. Once the price meets my criteria, I'm not gonna think twice. I'm just gonna execute a trade, take it up, and no matter where it's moving to, I don't care anymore. And for downside, if it's coming downside, because of this nice that I've got here, I don't think I'm confident enough to execute a trade. Or worst case scenario, if I see a nice move that closes below here, just going to execute and take it here, which is about maybe 20 pips or yeah, 22 pips, 23 pips basically. So that's it. I think that sounds like a plan. Let's stick to that plan. Let's see now what price in is going to do in reality. This trade we already did. Now, I wanted to show you guys something before I continue playing the video. I took this trade yesterday in the in the afternoon. Took it yesterday in the afternoon. I don't know. This is 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So you just grab it very fast and run the hell away. So after I lost two positions on live stream, I took this position. You can clearly see. I took a buy. This is Euro JPY, by the way. Okay, you can see it here already. Took this position, close partials, and let this run. I let the rest, it ran up to this, and then I closed it. And then while it was reversing, I took another, reverse trade that actually closed. I closed my position like right at this point. Immediately I finished screenshot, I closed it. It was actually nice to like have it. You just need to understand what you are doing. That's basically what I'm trying to say. If you understand what you're doing, losses is not going to mean anything to you. Trust me, it's not going to mean anything. Make sure you guys that trade. And guess what? After I closed, price actually reversed. That's the sweet thing about the trade. When I closed my position, phew, price just went the hell back. I was sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Now I need to look at that stuff now. What the hell is it? What the hell is it? Is it 5 minutes? I'm not. Okay, here's the trade here. There's the trade here. Perfect. That's actually 5 minutes. That's the trade. Got in here. Stop loss, I think above here or here. I think above here, stop loss. And take profit was somewhere around here. Yeah. That was a very perfect trade. Just take it, close it. That's called scalping. You just have to have the eyes to know how to cash these moves. If you understand how to cash these moves, you're super good to go. Trust me. And there's no other way to cash these moves if not understanding candlestick pattern as well. Whatever happens, just know that this was a planned trade. Okay, it was not an urgent, impromptu, unplanned trade. No, so it actually planned. Looking bearish, looking bullish. That's whenever you have this kind of confusion, you have to wait for pure confirmation because daily looks bearish and 4 hours looking bullish and 1 hour looking like something else, completely. Just have to be careful. That's what I'm trying to say here. Be very careful, guys. Oh God, my body hurts. Damn. Sometimes gymming could be very, very tiring, you know what I mean? So my question now is, what is price gonna do? Is it gonna respect us, or is it gonna just keep wasting our time? What is it gonna do? 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 What's it gonna do? One thing I'm gonna like set my mind on is what is 4 hours. Once this 4 hours high is broken, I'm done with this trade. I'm not gonna wait for price to hit my stop loss. This 4 hours is gonna be my red flag. Once the high is broken, I'm done. I'm out. Then I'm gonna wait for proper trade. Okay. Once it gets broken, I'm gonna jump out and wait for a proper trade where I'm just gonna, wait for breakout and then get in and out, just like I showed you guys in that 5 minute trade. So while we wait for this to finish all these consolidation or ranging shenanigans, can we go back to that very interesting clips that we were watching before? Don't worry, I'm looking at the market from some my second and third. So my question right now is, should I get one of those? Should I get one of those? I think I'm gonna get one of those. I'm gonna get one of those and I'm gonna install my platform on it so I can trade with it. Even live streaming from there. Just lie down on my bed and be saying shit to you guys. Food is looking so yummy. But the question is, how yummy am I willing to risk it? How badly do I want to risk it? Answer is, as soon as I secure a closure in this zone, that's when I'm going to risk it. Otherwise, it's not worth it. Yeah, it's not worth it. So gold is making a very nice move right here. It's making a very, very nice move. But I'm not convinced right now to take it. I'm not for some reasons I'm not convinced. Gold is not giving me the vibes that it wants to break out because 4 hours literally is doing something else and 1 hour is doing something else. So I just want a confirmation by the way of breaking out of this range, then we can talk business. You know, that's only when I'm gonna talk business with them. Otherwise, I prefer to keep it simple and cool and simple. Do not forget, we I made a comment here. I said the moment 4 hours high is broken, I'm out of this trade. Okay, don't forget we got into this trade in the first place because we're already at a resistant in a area, and the price most likely was going to go down. So if it decides to change its mind that it doesn't want to go down anymore, good and fine. If it, the moment it breaks above, then I'm done. I'm gonna get the hell out. Yeah, I know Delhi is a bit pretty much bullish, looks bullish, but then most of the times when we have long candle like this, EOJPY usually goes to retest all the way to this somewhere around this zone. That was actually what based on We trade based on the behavior, the historical behavior of the pair you're trading. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that high is broken, so I'm not. This trade is not any good to me anymore. So it's gonna be a close. So that's how to trade, guys. You set your criteria and stick to it. You don't don't change your criteria for anybody. Okay, set out your criteria and stick to it. See, if I didn't close it now, see what would have happened. See that? So stick to the plans. That's basically what I'm trying to say here. Stick to plans. Okay, that's beautiful to see that we're sticking to plans, guys. See that? Beautiful to see that everyone is sticking to plans these days. So the former criteria is met, which is see crossing, touching psychological level. So it's gonna make a lot of sense. Where's 15 minutes? Oh, I don't like this. The shape of this. The shape is not making sense to me. All this drama, 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 and then this comes to close here. I don't like it. Even if he closes here and he wants to go drive to heaven, I'm not going to take any trade. I'm going to just wait until it breaks and then come back to retest. Then I can go in. Nothing is basically happening. kind of song is this, man? Can you guys give me better? What kind of drama is this? Yeah, come on, man. That's more like it. Jesus. Okay, this is looking pretty much interesting. It's looking very interesting to me, guys. I think we may have a good trade here. Let's see. There's a couple of distractions here. Yeah. I don't like this. A lot of drama here. Let me just, yeah, think we can go ahead and do something now. Guys, again, this trade now is for those who are capable of controlling risk. Okay. If you know you can control risk, then take it. If you can't, stay the hell out, please. If you can bear risk, do it. If you can't, stay out, please. It's not for you. Okay. This is actually almost one to one. Almost one to one. But it's fine. Let's see. I'm never wrong twice. If it goes wrong again, I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna be online and have fun online, okay? So okay. Let me withdraw that statement. I'm Wrong twice. I have been wrong twice before, so that statement was not the right thing to put out. Okay. You see the reason why I took this trade. This trade is the best trade of the century. You will see why shortly. You will see why this trade is the best trade of the century shortly. 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 Just give it 1 minute and you not 1 minute. Let me not give anyone any false hope. Okay, all set. Now your turn. Your turn, baby. Baby, your turn. Basically, just wait for this high to be broken. That candle needs to break the high of itself. If you're not taking the position, hold on until it breaks the high of itself. I think that's the best ideal time to get in. Okay. If this breaks, just gonna like it's gonna fly. This kind of moves I've seen a lot. His break is just gonna fly. It won't be there to see that. So a better action now. Okay, the movie has started. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. Let's see. Okay, the movie has started already. If you hopped in with me, congratulations, you're gonna make a whole ton of money, whole healthy money. At this point, we lost how many pips? We lost 7 pips. At this point, if I decide to close now, I'll wipe out my loss. Yeah. If I decide to close now, I'm gonna wipe off my loss. So that's how it's done, guys. That's how it's done. See, gold is still mismanaging itself. So 4 hours high is broken. You know what that means, right? When I say 4 hours high is broken, you know what that means. That means that price is gonna go crazy. It's gonna go back shit crazy right now. I thought it was gonna go the other way down so that I can scoop all this benefit here, this entire benefit, but then it's gonna go the other way, like the other way, hoping that it closes above here. If price closes above here, or even within here, because a lot of candles couldn't even come up here, then I'm anticipating price to continue going up to this level. Yep. So let us see. Let's see what price is going to do eventually. Don't forget, you are absolutely free to close out from this trade. Okay, you are so free to close out. Nobody's actually forcing you to be here. So close out if you want to close out. Otherwise, leave it alone. Gentlemen, that's 12 p.m. 9th of February, 12 p.m. Let's see what is gonna happen next now. Whatever happens next, I hope everyone is all in for it. I hope everyone is all in for it. Whatever happens next, okay? Now I'm gonna set my. Okay, okay. At this point in time, if you wanna close, you can close because you've made up for the loss we had here in this anticipated move to the downside. Okay. If you feel like I'm not closing out yet. I'm still in to see what is there for me. I'm still there to see what is in there for me because I can just go. This is a golden opportunity. Look at daily. Daily is like pumping to hell. 4 hours is pumping to hell. So I'm expecting TP to actually hit. But definitely I'm not gonna like leave everything to hit TP. I'm just gonna close partials. When price hits this line, 161, 167, I'm gonna close about 70%. and let the rest run to TP. Okay, that's going to be the plan. Yep, yep. What is it gonna be? Euro JPY? What's it gonna be, my dear Euro? I think this guy is gonna do the same thing, just gonna reverse and break below. So gold needs to break this low before anyone thinks of doing anything with it, any business with it, you know? Yeah, already it has broke. It has given some good signs. Yeah, but good signs are not enough. Basically, good signs are not enough. It has given some good signs. I need to see a closure. Maybe somewhere here. Then I can actually take a position. But it's too risky. I mean, there's no much profit around here. You know what I mean? But it's all good. Let's see. An hour, 4 hours. Yeah, I think this guy is actually going down. Yeah. Most likely it's gonna go down, but you don't assume, guys, because of this noise. Like there is this price. This area is rejecting price a lot. 2035 upwards is a very very strong rejection point that everyone needs to be careful about, though. But then it can like make me to take any position around here. I just want to see a very nice stuff. So 15 minutes should close somewhere here within this area. Then if it does, I may just risk something. 20 pips. I'll risk something for 20 pips, And this is still there, creating drama. Oh, I like what gold is doing. Good, my darling. Now, good, I can call it my darling. Whoops, that's beautiful move right there. The break of this low is significantly thrilling. I don't know why this guy suddenly halted. Shouldn't halt, man, because it's an area of opportunity, okay? What I want is that push. Once it strikes here, I'm gonna close. I've already set my trade to close 70%. Once it reaches, I'm just gonna close 70% and let 30% run to either break even or TP, whatever happens. Come on, it's driving down. It's driving down. Euro JPY is stupidly driving down for some reasons that I don't know. All right, this is looking very interesting. Basically, I think this 30 minutes just went here, came over here to get a week. So if this is the week that it's desired, then there's going to be trouble. If it's coming here for a week, then the push up is going to be like massively massive. Let's watch and see. Guys, again, this trade is me things, me stuff. Okay, if you wanna close this trade, go ahead and close it. Mine is gonna be open. If you feel like closing it, if you don't have confidence in the trade, it's fine. Close it out. Okay. For me, I'm not closing it. Okay. There's definitely nothing I could have done in this trade because it's not meeting my criteria for taking a position, so I don't need to regret anything. It's just moving on its own, like crazily moving on its own. 3 minutes, nothing. Technically, nothing to do. The only thing I could have done is maybe take a trade the moment this guy broke below the previous 4 hours, but the stop loss is a lot. Now this is all the move that may happen the next couple of hours. But then I don't think I'm worried. I'm not worried at all. My mentor must have taken a trade here. I'm pretty sure he must have taken a trade here. And by now he's getting ready to close, maybe somewhere here. But I don't have that kind of morale to take positions here when I'm still looking at a lot of rejections everywhere. Okay, let's have a look at 15 minutes in this. Okay, 15 minutes seems pretty much like it's gonna just push up. Looks like it's gonna just push up, 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 keep going, keep going. See what I said? Gold does not have respect for anything. After waiting for gold for so long, it's just moving without even giving us opportunity. Very disrespectful. I don't like disrespect. Serious? No wick in both candles. And this is something I don't entertain at all. I don't trade this kind of scenarios, this kind of candles. I stay away from them. Anyway, let's focus squarely. Let me go that think this is distracting me. Whatever it wants to do, let it do. Let's focus on this trade and see how we can make it completely profitable. Like we zap the entire move. Yeah, we're getting the prices turning back up. How is it gonna happen? I don't have any freaking idea, but I just want this crazy price to push and touch the second yellow line. Let me close my 70%. Okay. Okay, guys, I just closed 70% because this is taking a hell of time. I just closed 70% and I'm moving my stop loss slightly. What is this? The 30 minutes? No? No, 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 not 30 minutes, my dear. 15 minutes, slightly below here. So I would suggest you do the same. Close 50%, 70%, sorry, and move your stop loss slightly below here. See, I closed out some trades and then it started moving. Bloody Gandu. Bloody evil perpetrator. But my money gang. Oops. Ooh, guys. If I had waited for 20 more seconds, I would have made what I'm supposed to make in this trade. But it's fine. Closing that percentage was actually a good call. Yeah, it was actually a good call though. So there's no regrets at all. Trust me. Okay, I'm just gonna close additional 10%. 10% additional closed. Okay, this is actually more than enough. In fact, you know what? Let me close 10 more percent and leave only 10% running. Yeah, I'm satisfied now. So wherever price drives this trade, I don't care anymore. And please move your stop loss to this zone. Let me show you the zone. Why is this so long, man? Okay, now close. Let me use something else. Move your stop loss below 161.063. Okay, that should be your stop loss. Yeah. So this trade is risk-free trade now. It's free of charge trade. Just to let you understand what I'm doing, this is it. This is what I'm doing, okay? Like, I'm not kidding about it when I say I closed, okay? First closure was here, second and third closure were here, and this is I'm still driving up, okay? So I'm not playing when I said that. You know what? It's time to close this trade, guys. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Again, look at it. I'm out. That's how we do it. Now, you see, the loss we had before was super insignificant. Did you see that, guys? The loss we had before, it was not significant at all. At all, it was not significant. Now, you can't compare that loss, that checking loss, with the profit we've made now. So, congrats to anyone that caught the position. Those that trusted me enough to get on the position, thank you very much. If you trusted me enough to get on that position, you are the bomb. We're gonna make some money together. Trust me. Just keep joining every day, and it's gonna be fine. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me this morning. I think we actually hit our target today. We hit our target today. That's about 25 pips, 25 fucking pips. Sorry for using the F word, guys. So sorry, but it's 25 effing pips. So I feel super excited now because I lost something here and I made it multiple freaking times. Now that is what I call a process. It's a process. It's called improvements, okay? Progress. All right. If you want to join me, my Telegram channel, it's open at the moment. It's free at the moment. All you need to go to my profile, and boom, is there. Only God knows where that stuff is. Ah, that's the hell is my Telegram. This is my YouTube channel, and this my my X Twitter. And okay, let's now look for my Telegram channel. Only God knows where that is. Where the hell is it? I've forgotten. Honestly, I forgot. Let's see. Just hang on in there, guys. Let's get that crazy guy. Let's see. Oh, whatever. Just type Kingsley's friends. Kingsley's friends. Don't put comma. Don't put space. Kingsley's friends. Type it that way on. I think I should type it on the screen though. For those who who are already willing to join. All right, this is it right here. Kingsley's friends. Okay, that is my Telegram channel. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay. Bye bye, friends. Some other time. Notice how after we close the trade, price start going down. So whenever you see this kind of pump, just allow the pump to allow the price to pump a little bit more, then close the position because it's gonna go down. That what, but that does not mean that price will just continue going down. No, it means the price is coming back perhaps in the next 15 minutes to retest this level, this breakout level. And guess what? If I'm still online, if I'm not sleeping yet, I'm still gonna get in because I'm sure that is what price is just gonna do. It's not negotiable because this is just a breakout. The retest is going to come. If you want to see what I'm talking about, see, consolidation happened here until here. So here, consolidation. Let's play it properly for you to understand. Consolidation happened, yeah, and then there's a breakout. This is what I just took. I just took this trade there. Okay, there's going to be some sort of there's going to be some noise like this, and there's going to be another breakout. Once I see this noise, I'm going to wait specifically for something like this. Once I see it, then I'm going to take advantage again. Yeah, that's actually how I trade this pair. This pair, I'm able to like know what is going to do next. Somehow, I just know I have connection with the pair. That's why you see me. Gold is there, but I have special interest on this pair. Okay, and if you want to master this pair, it's easy. All you need to do is just make sure that you're going to join my Telegram channel. So, I mean, sometimes I actually hold some free weekend not classes but streaming just simulation stuff. That's the best way to learn from me because I don't have like special classes and shit like that. I don't do those stuffs. So, all right, bye. Oh, it's going up again. If this guy touches this psychological level at one shot, then it's beginning to change its behavior. I need to really. I know it's not going to touch it at one shot. It's not possible. As long as we have this here, this noise. Okay, it's not really noise in 4 hours here. Maximum you can actually go is here before reversing to retest. Then it's gonna like consolidate for a while, then break out, whoosh, before going there. It's difficult for this pair to just move and from psychological levels to psychological level in one shot. Take a look. It's difficult. It's difficult for you to see. Moving from one apart from this, yeah, I said it's because it happens. Apart from this other ones is difficult, at one shot. Usually breaks and then continues. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I think I've said bye bye a lot of times, and I can't even find my streaming handle. Beautiful. It's a bye bye for you. Bye.